Hey guys, welcome back. So I thought it would be a good time to make this video, considering we are very close to all-time highs in the US. In the US, so the US indices, so S&P 500. As we can see here, that we are pretty much a percent away from all-time highs. So, like I think said in one of the other videos, that the momentum right now is seeming really strong. Even though I'm quite bearish on the US economy, and I'm quite bearish on sort of, in the sense that I'm basically saying that I think a recession is on the horizon. And it doesn't mean just because the market hits the new high that the recession is not. If you go back and even look at 2000, 2008, 2006, 2007, 2008, even when the market started to turn in 2006-ish, 2007, we had still hit new highs before the market had then collapsed again. So it's not just to say that just because we hit new highs that there is no recession on the horizon. However, that being said, as a trader, you have to, play the game and understand what's going on. Right now, the market, obviously, the technicals are quite positive to an all-time high direction. We are clearly very close to all-time high, so we're likely to surpass that level. And naturally, when we do hit a new all-time high, there is momentum behind, which then leads it to sort of carry that on for a little while before there is any sort of stoppages. So if we just look at this point where this was the all-time high before this level, we had got an increase of about 3%. Before then, we obviously collapsed 20% here. So obviously, you've got to be wary of that. Just because we hit all-time highs, it doesn't mean there will not be a decline or anything back. But a good trade or good trader would sort of see this as a way of, okay, let me ride it out if I'm already in it, or maybe take a really small piece, ride it out past all-time high. Because the algos usually, the cool thing is if you work in the industry or if you just have an idea of what goes on, there are a lot of algos out there that just literally buy a stock when it reaches all-time high. The reason why is because of the idea of it, like I said, mentioned earlier, about the momentum aspect of things. So those algos will be buying. So when we hit new all-time highs, the algos will be buying, which will then allow the US indices to prop up a little bit more and keep going a bit further. So a good idea might be is, if you're not in it, to maybe potentially get a small piece and sort of ride that up to the top a little bit, another 2-3% gain before you get out, and just sort of see how the market plays out. The reason why I say this is because interest rates right now in the US have been stopped, interest rate hiking, and why would a central bank pause on its tightening cycle if everything's good and well and healthy in the economic environment? So there is obviously factors to think about and look at. So I thought I'd give that sort of update on this, and let me know what you guys think. Do you think what market will hit all-time highs? Will it not? It'd be good to know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.